How to set up Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can set up the Google Authenticator for the two-factor authentication. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to enable the two-factor authentication, you just need to download the application onto your device. After that, log into the account using your Google account. So unfortunately, we can't record the screen of the Google Authenticator due to the security policy of the app. So I'm just going to briefly tell you on how you can begin the process. So as I said, first of all, download the Google Authenticator app from your device's app store. After that, open the app and click Get Started and click Scan or QR code. Use your device camera to scan the QR code on the screen. Click Next, enter the code from the Google Authenticator app and click Verify. This is one of the methods that you can follow. Otherwise, you can also set up a 2FA for your Google account by following these steps. First of all, you need to sign in into your Google account. After that, tap Security at the top and scroll down to Signing in to Google and tap Two-Step Verification. After that, tap on Get Started. And on step 5, choose the Google Authenticator or other verification code apps and review the options that you've set up and the device or devices you'll be signed in on and tap on. After that, just follow the on-screen instructions and you should be able to set up the two-factor authentication from Google Authenticator very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.